What's up guys, welcome to the channel. Today I have another mod for the second gen Tundra, and this one's going to be one that I've been waiting for a long time. So if you look in here, I have this Walmart Dollar Tree floor mat here that it's been in here since I've gotten the truck. And you can see here, like, this is one of those that you cut to fit, and it's not great. It barely does any coverage. You can see here where the clean section is. All this gray area here, that's where the floor mat was, and then all this brown area was where it wasn't covered. So it's filthy in here. So I'm gonna show you what we have today. So that's gonna go straight in the trash. This is the Husky liner, the X-Act Contour. So it was kind of difficult to find floor mats for a second gen Tundra, especially one pre-facelift. So this is 07 to 13 Tundra, and we're gonna see if we can get this in here and see what it looks like and how much coverage we have. I'm gonna fit it in here, and then I'm gonna pull them out later after the video, clean up all that junk and dust that's just been building up in the truck there, and then I'll put it back in after it dries. So let's get this guy open and see what it looks like. Oh, really good packaging. So inside here, right on the lid, we got some caps that they don't want you to lose, so pull that out. And then here are the floor mats. So right out of the bat, it is kind of this hard rubber, which is really nice. I'm not sure the exact material, but I'm gonna use rubber. They both have the holes to kind of hold them in place, which is good. And then a bunch of these little spikes on the bottom to prevent any movement when you get in and out of the vehicle. So let's check out the fitment on this. So I'm assuming this is the driver's side. Oh yeah, this is looking way better already. So when it comes in the box, you know, however it's folded, it's gonna have that that shape for a little bit, but after some time, this will come down and just flatten itself out. And then I'm gonna put in these pins here to hold it in place. But you can see here, with the amount of coverage, this is gonna be way better for my vehicle, obviously, to keep it clean. And since it is kind of a little bit harder of a rubber, I can pick it up, contain, you know, any dust or liquids, and then just dump it out. So that's gonna be nice. Like I said, if you have a pre-facelift Tundra, finding floor mats is almost impossible. So Husky is one of the companies that do make it for it. So this is one I would recommend, and I would have a product link down in the description. But I'm gonna get the other side installed and see how it feels. So in the kit, you'll get these guys right here, which will be screwed in together. Unscrew it, and then you're gonna get the lower part here. We're gonna pull out these guys here from underneath, and they'll expose those holes there. Grab the lower section of the provided piece. We're gonna just plug it right in there. Once you have that part installed in the bottom, line it up, push it up like that, and then grab the cap and make sure you get it squared and screw it on. And this is what it looks like with the caps on. And in the rear, this truck came with no carpet floor mats, no Walmart floor mats or anything like that. So the rear floor mats, the all-season floor mats, was more important to me than the front was, just because I have two kids that sit back here and they eat and just throw things on the ground, and it just gets messy back here. So I'm constantly have to just vacuum back here. So Husky floor mats back here fit perfectly. It wraps all the way to the side here, and then even into the front. It has the ribs. It has the like the spikes on the bottom, so that way it doesn't move around as much. And it's a one piece, so it goes all the way to the other side.
and it just helps me fully protect the rear carpet of the Tundra now. So super happy with the quality and the fitment of everything that's on this truck so far. So these are going to be very handy.
So this video is obviously nothing exciting, but I had a very difficult time finding a floor mat that will work for the '07 to '13. So I wanted to make this video to share with any of the pre-face Tundra, second gen Tundra owners, so that way you guys can get a set of these for yourself if you're in the market for one. So I'll have a link to these right here down in the description if you want to take a look for yourself, and we'll see you guys next time.